Hello all. In this video, we'll see how we can translate from one language to another language. We have seen in the Google, right? So if you try to find a language translator, for sure you'll be able to find many softwares and tools in order to convert from one language to another language. What if I build my own application? I don't need to open a Google or anything like that. So I will be able to translate from one language to another language. It can be any language, not only English. So English to Hindi, Hindi to English, Hindi to Tamil, Telugu, whatever it is, right? So I will be able to translate from any language to another language, right? So that is the idea behind this video. So let's try to import some necessary libraries and we'll try to see how we can convert from one language to another language, and we'll also see with the help of speech, right? So I can speak in any language and I will be able to convert into any other language. So the advanced version also we'll be able to see in the upcoming videos. So before that, let's begin first how to import a library and how to convert and what are all the methods we have in this library, right? The very first and foremost thing what you need to do, you need to import Textblob. Textblob. So if you want to import Textblob, first you need to install. So what you can do, a pip install Textblob. Textblob, right? You can import, then only you'll be able to use it, right? First you need to install Textblob, then you can start writing this piece of code, that is from Textblob import Textblob. It's a case sensitive, you have to be a little careful here. All right, so let's execute one by one and we'll try to understand each and every line. So let me execute this line. Yes, I have imported Textblob. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to instantiate this Textblob and I will also write a text here. Good wishes to you all. You can write anything you want, right? So here we'll try to understand simple statements. So otherwise you can copy and paste any statement from any article or newspaper, whatever it is, right? So I'm going to use this simple statement. So let's instantiate into this object. All right. So once I instantiate, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use that object blob dot translate and into which language I want to convert. So that language I have to specify here. To HI. HI is for a Hindi. Okay? HI is for a Hindi. We'll see that how to identify these codes and things like that. All right. So in a while, so you'll be able to know that how do I know that my native language code, that you will see. All right. So let's execute this. So yes, I will be able to convert this good wishes to all to a Hindi language, that is Aap sabhi ko shubhkamnaएं, right? So that's how I will be able to translate into another language. So what I'm going to do, I am going to convert into some other language like KN. KN is for Kannada, right? Let's execute this. So it says Nimmellarigu Shubhashayagalu, right? So maybe I can change it to TE. You will see that how we can find this the language code. Don't worry about that. So TE is for a Telugu. Mi andariki Shubhakankshalu, right? So like TA, that is for Tamil, right? So I will be able to convert into any language. All right. So very simple statement here. Now let's try to convert into something to some other language like ZH CN dash CN. That is for basically Chinese. Something is better than nothing. I don't know what exactly it is, but yeah. So I will be able to convert into Chinese language as well. So similarly, you can give a French language, and any other language in this world. All right. So let's see. Yeah, I think here we have different text here. So आज का मौसम बहुत गर्मी है, right? Things like that. So now I can also translate using this code. So we have different parameters. So I can also say from language and to which language. I can mention something GH dash CN, that is for a Chinese. So I'm going to run this. It's better than nothing, right? It's better than nothing. So it's basically what I did. I have copied this over here and converted to English. I can remove this. I can always remove this and see that how things will work. Yes, yes, it can be able to convert to English language. So this is the optional. This is the optional code or the parameter you can use. So maybe what I will do, I will try to copy this. Try to copy this and keep it over here, and I will remove this. Right, I want to convert it to English. Congratulations to all of you. Right, good wishes to you all, or it can say that you can also say that congratulations to all of you. Right, maybe I can change it to KN. It says Nimmellarigu Abhinandanegalu. So from Tamil, I'm able to convert into a Kannada. Right, I can change it to TE Telugu Mi Andariki Abhinandanalu. Right, so don't worry if you don't understand this South Indian languages. So, but yeah, the idea is to understand how we can convert from one language to another language. Now the next question is, how do I detect my language code, right? So what you can do, simply you copy the script of the language, right? So you know, suppose you are a Punjabi, so you can find a script. Let's say, let me open this, say Punjabi script. Right, so this is how the Punjabi script looks like. So you have to find out this Punjabi script, right? So let me try if I'm able to copy somewhere here. Punjabi, give me a second. I have to, let's take wiki here. So what I will do, I will just take this, I'll take this and I will just copy over here. I'll just copy over here, then I'll execute. So you can see this is a PA, Punjabi, right? So I can also take any language script and I will keep it here. I'll write it and I will be able to execute. And you see this Telugu. So you can see the language. So basically what it is going to do, it is going to detect the language. How? So you have to instantiate your language script into one of the object. That object dot detect underscore language. Detect underscore language, that will give you the language code. So now it is very simple, right? You can go back, right? You can just keep it over here. So now it's a Punjabi. So whoever knows Punjabi, so they will be able to relate this. As simple as that. French language, any language. Let's try to take something else here. French script, right? This is how French looks like. So maybe what I will do, I will try to take Wikipedia, wiki, right? I'll go over here and the script is something like this. Okay, give me a second. So I will go back here and I will try to find the code for this language. I will remove this and also remove this. So it is IG, right? So we don't use it, but yeah. So the idea is how to find or how to detect a language, any language. So later we can play around with this. All right. So that's all in this video. And in the next video, what we will do, we will try to speak in our own language, and also we'll try to convert into some other language. You don't need to write this at all. You don't need to write it. I can just speak and you'll be able to convert into any other language. All right. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you all in the next video. Keep learning. Thank you.